Welcome to this tutorial on how to issue store credit in Shopify. Issuing store credit is a convenient way to refund customers and encourage them to make future purchases from your store. To start, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Orders section. Find the order for which you want to issue store credit and click on it to view the order details. In the Order Details page, click on the More Actions drop-down menu and select Issue Refund. In the Refund section, select the items you want to refund and choose the refund method as store credit. Enter the amount you want to refund and add an optional note to explain the reason for the refund. Then click on the Issue Refund button to complete the process. The customer will receive an email with the store credit details, including the amount and a link to redeem it. The store credit will be added to the customer's account and they can use it to make future purchases from your store. It is essential to note that store credit can only be used on the online store and not in physical locations. Also, store credit is not transferable and can only be used by the customer it was issued to. Best practices for issuing store credit include clearly communicating the refund and store credit details to the customer, and ensuring that the customer understands how to redeem the store credit. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively issue store credit in Shopify and provide a positive experience for your customers. This will encourage them to continue shopping from your store and increase customer loyalty. In conclusion, issuing store credit in Shopify is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By providing clear explanations and following best practices, you can ensure that your customers have a positive experience and continue to shop from your store.